Hey there, welcome back. Do you need to share your location using the Google Maps? Let me show you the easiest way to do it in just a few steps. The first step is to open your Google Maps. Next step is to access your location settings. Tap on your profile picture or the initial in the top right corner. Then you select location sharing from the menu. Next, you choose your sharing duration. Tap on the share location button and set how long you want to share your location. That is 1 hour or until you turn it off. Next, you can select how to share. You can share via apps like Messages, WhatsApp or email by tapping on the app icon. Alternatively, copy the location link and share it manually. The next step is to check your permission. If prompted, allow location access. Go to settings, then privacy, then location service, then Google Maps and set it to always or while using this app. Another step is to stop sharing, which is an optional step. Go back to the location sharing and tap stop to end location sharing. And that's it guys. Sharing your location through Google Maps is that simple. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more handy tutorials, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.